The preparing stage is the foundation of the recruitment cycle. This is where the organization identifies its staffing needs and determines what kind of employee is required to fill a gap or expand a team. The process involves conducting a job analysis to clearly define the responsibilities, necessary skills, and working conditions of the position. From this, a detailed job description and list of qualifications, commonly known as KSAs, are developed. Tools such as job analysis forms, organizational charts, and KSA templates help standardize this process and ensure clarity across departments. In the preparation stage, the company defines the need for a data analyst and establishes the qualifications required for the role. For example, a tech company might need a data analyst to process large datasets, perform statistical analysis, and generate insights. The job analysis will reveal that the candidate must be proficient in tools like SQL, Python, and Excel with strong analytical and problem-solving abilities. The job description will include qualifications such as a degree in data science, statistics, or a related field, and at least 2 years of experience in a similar role. Tools used during this stage include job analysis forms to capture job requirements, KSA templates to outline the necessary skills, and organizational charts to ensure alignment with the company's structure. The second stage, sourcing, is all about reaching out to potential candidates. Once the job is clearly defined, the next step is to advertise the vacancy and generate interest among job seekers. Organizations may post on job boards like LinkedIn or Indeed, share openings on their websites, or rely on employee referrals and professional networks. The tools used during sourcing include online job portals, career pages, and referral programs, which help widen the applicant pool and attract talent from both internal and external sources. During the sourcing stage, the company reaches out to potential candidates. For example, the company might post the data analyst job opening on popular job boards such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor, targeting candidates with the required skills in data manipulation and reporting. They might also encourage internal referrals, offering bonuses to employees who refer qualified candidates. Additionally, the company could use niche job boards like AngelList or industry-specific forums where data professionals congregate. The goal is to attract a diverse group of candidates with varying levels of experience, from junior analysts to more seasoned professionals. In the screening stage, the focus shifts to filtering and shortlisting candidates. Here, recruiters review the submitted resumes, cover letters, and application forms to identify individuals who meet the basic job qualifications. Screening tools such as applicant tracking systems, resume parsers, and checklists are used to automate and streamline this process. These tools can quickly sort through large volumes of applications and flag the most promising candidates based on keyword matches, experience, and education. Once the applications come in, the screening stage involves reviewing resumes and applications to identify the most qualified candidates. In the case of a data analyst position, this means checking if the applicant has experience with data tools like Python, SQL, or R, and whether they meet the educational requirements. Tools like an applicant tracking system can automatically screen resumes by matching keywords such as data analysis, SQL, or predictive modeling. Additionally, resume parsers can extract and categorize key information, making the screening process faster and more accurate. After this, a short list of candidates who meet the minimum qualifications is created for further assessment. Once the best candidates are identified, the process moves to the selecting stage, where a more in-depth evaluation is conducted. This may involve structured interviews, job knowledge tests, case studies, or behavioral assessments. Psychometric testing may also be included to assess personality traits, cognitive ability, and cultural fit. Assessment centers can also be used for roles requiring teamwork, leadership, or problem solving. Tools like structured interview guides and evaluation rubrics help ensure fairness and consistency across all candidates. In the selection stage, the shortlisted candidates are assessed more thoroughly through interviews, testing, and possibly assessments to gauge their technical skills. For a data analyst, this might include administering a data manipulation test where where the candidates are asked to clean and analyze a sample dataset using SQL or Python. During the interview, candidates might be asked behavioral questions such as, "Tell us about a time when you had to clean a messy dataset," and then be tested on their ability to explain their thought process. The company might also use a structured interview guide to ensure all candidates are evaluated fairly based on consistent criteria. Psychometric tests can also be used to assess logical reasoning, problem-solving abilities, and how well the candidate fits the company culture. The hiring stage comes next, where the organization decides who will be offered the position. This involves reviewing all evaluation results, selecting the top candidate, negotiating the terms of employment, and preparing the job offer. During this step, tools such as offer letter templates, background check systems, and HRS software are used to formalize the hiring process and maintain records. This stage finalizes the decision-making part of the recruitment cycle. The hiring stage is where the final decision is made. For instance, after completing the interview rounds and evaluating test results, the team selects the best candidate for the data analyst role. If a candidate is chosen, the hiring manager will negotiate salary and benefits, taking into account the candidate's experience and the company's budget. An offer letter will be sent out with the official terms of employment. Additionally, background check systems can be used to verify the applicant's credentials, such as their educational qualifications and work history, before making the job offer final. If everything checks out, the employment contract is prepared using HRS software to ensure all information is up to date and accurate. After hiring, the onboarding stage helps integrate the new employee into the organization. This includes introducing the person to the company's mission, values, policies, and work culture, as well as assigning a mentor or team lead to assist with the transition. Formal training programs may be conducted to cover job-specific tasks. Onboarding tools include orientation manuals, e-learning portals, and training modules that support a smooth adjustment to the new environment and ensure employee readiness. Once the candidate accepts the offer, the onboarding stage begins. In the case of a data analyst, the onboarding process could include providing access to necessary software tools such as database systems, analytical software, and cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. The new hire might be introduced to their team and given a mentor to guide them through the transition. During orientation, they may go through specific training on the company's data management protocols, security standards, and business processes. Onboarding portals and training modules may be used to deliver the initial training and information about the company's policies and culture. The goal is to ensure the new data analyst feels prepared and supported as they start their new role. By following a clear sequence and using appropriate tools at every stage, organizations can improve hiring outcomes, reduce turnover, and ensure that selected employees not only meet job requirements, but also align with the company's goals and values. A structured recruitment cycle helps balance efficiency, fairness, and strategic alignment in workforce planning. Beyond the formal onboarding stage, ongoing support is essential for ensuring the new hire thrives. For a data analyst, this might include regular check-ins with their manager, additional skill-building opportunities, and feedback on their work. The company may provide access to online courses on advanced data analysis techniques, workshops, or even conferences that will further develop their expertise in areas such as machine learning or data visualization. The new hires' integration into the team and their continuous development within the company are key to long-term success and retention in their role.